One of the most common questions RVers have is, well, how do I get my packages and my home mail while on the road? Today we're going to take a look at how you can get those while you're traveling. First things first, taking care of your home mail is incredibly important. As of this video, the post office will hold your mail at their facility for up to 30 days. If you're gone longer than that, you're going to need to use their mail forwarding service, which will handle your mail and have it delivered to an alternate location for up to 1 year. Should you prefer, there are multiple companies out there that offer a different type of mail forwarding service where you have a new address, they receive all your mail, they scan it in, you get a daily email, and you have the option to either have the mail sent to you, destroyed, or even just scanned in. This is a great service if you want access to your mail and you're on the road for longer than a year. Now let's take a look at how to receive your mail. Let's go. Number one will be a facility at the RV resort. We found that most resorts will have a dedicated area, whether it be in the office or a common area where your mail will be held. Some resorts even have a fully staffed, dedicated mail center. Number two is on-site delivery. Some larger properties, as well as properties with a lot of seasonal residents, will deliver it directly to your doorstep. Again, it is important to ensure you have your site number on the package, and here's an example of what we recommend. Number three are package lockers. If you're ordering from Amazon, you can use one of their lockers to keep your package securely stored until you're ready to pick it up. We've seen these in gas stations, stores across the country, in rural areas and big cities. Number four on the list is a local UPS or FedEx office. Some locations for a small fee will allow you to use their address to ship a package and hold it until you're ready to pick it up. Getting your mail is as easy as parking in a wide pull-through spot. What tips would you share with the community? Leave those down in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.